Halo adik-adik semuanya. Baca dulu kali ya. Damn. Abis tuh ingin gua. Aku tahu caranya. Gini guys. Waduh. To the moon. Aduh, mati lagi HP gua. Yang satunya guys. Nggak bisa nih ngeliat chatnya. Sorry dah kalau ada ngechat deh. Gacha lagi kah? Siapa tuh teman gue tuh ngechat?
I've been waiting for too long.
Habis cu tiket gua cu. Nah, jauhet lagi kepake, bukan dapet, udah dapet. Udah 9.000. Siapa tahu nanti ada skin spesial kan. Ini apa dah? Oh, buat WDP ya. Blackburn.
Think you can catch up?
Oh, di Magic Chess. Egi.
In the name of the wind.
Dikit lagi naik ke Epic. Gue jarang main sih Magic Chess. Wait a minute. Polosan cuy, ini yang lucu.
In the name of the wind.
Hmm. Hmm. Leg burn.
In the name of the wind.
Bener sih, gue kagak mau Vale sih. Mau nyobain yang itu sih. Nyobain yang kemarin gue beli itu mana ya? Ini Spao. Bersih.
Here comes the greatest shield.
Ini juga bagus. Yang asli masih ini. Yang asli tuh si siapa ya, Remy ya?
The protector of the forest.
Ini si Benny, ini kambingnya Benny. Kopi-kopi ini kan dia. Mana sih?
In the name of the wind.
Lama kali belum kelar dia. buat apa sih? Oh jadi setelah pilih hero. Oke. Ini punya si ini ya, punya siapa? Jilong. Kan ini satu, ini apa nih? 10 gold. Banyak banget ya. Sini juga bagus. Sini. Ini kenapa nge-lag ya HP gue satunya? Buset, ini belum selesai gua gak pernah sampai gua kuy. Gila guys, itu berapa ini?
In the name of the wind.
Gua nyoba sini.
Captain Layla at your service. The Agile
Lawan
Tiger is
kurang
on
sih banyak.
ground.
Oh yang ngeselin tuh ini ya, yang mana ya?
A light to save the soul.
Captain Layla at your service. Think you can catch up?
Nah ini si Fanny nih.
Think you can catch up?
Harper lah, enak juga Harper.
Harper is here to offer a helping hand.
Gue udah ketinggalan banget dia kalau Harper. Egi. Nah, Antal gua itu one ya.
In the name of the wind.
Damn. program ya, waduh PR tuh. Dirot sebenarnya Kufra juga bagus sih, cuma ya bro what the hell. Purify gak sih guys?
The wind uplifts me. I own the stage. I own the stage.
I'm on this day. What the hell? Ngalek tuh bro, gue udah nabrak tuh. Tusuk mati. Elah dek.
Ready for all challenges.
Waduh ini nih PR tuh. Tuh bro, bro. Mantap bro. Kalah gitu tapi. Menang cuy. Tusuk, nah menang yes. Gelo. Santai aja gak sih? Waduh gak ada lagi gua. Waduh hack. Waduh hack. Aduh kalah kali ini game. Mana kagak dapat wesel gua tuh. Gak dikasih gua. Lagi naik ya. Nah ulti nice. Oh ini dia lawan gue yang musuhnya ya. Pakai Wester juga deh bang, lepas Wester dulu bang. Waduh. Udah, Waduh, Wrestler kagak dikasih kah gua guys.
Who would recognize someone as weak as MC?
Nggak dikasih Wrestler kah gua. Apalagi Boyan FF. Nah ini nih yang selin itu, yang ada bayangan-bayangan gitu. Ininya ya Kagura itu ya. Nah, ini kan Kagura kan. Duh, Wrestler gua kagak dikasih guys, kalah deh ini game.
Fresh not. I don't give a damn if the world is against me.
My music is my attitude.
What the hell?
That was a breeze.
Waduh, Blazing Blade bagus sih.
Ready for all challenges.
Fret not. You can't escape the inevitable.
Harus ngeroll.
I own the stage. I own the
I
stage.
don't give a damn if the world is against me.
Salah tuh. Wrestlernya diambil sama dia, ya ampun, pantesan aja.
Fret not. You can't escape the inevitable. What's beneath this boundary?
kali guys, kita ambil guys. Oh, tenang. Tenang. Nice. Come on, ambil kita guys. Let's go, udah punya banyak gua, tenang. Udah jadi. Lawan siapa nih gue? BTR ya? Kalau mau rugi sih gue ngambilnya. Kagurannya mana sih? Bingung gue, Kagura di mana sih dia? Tiba-tiba ada Kagura gitu ya. Oh itu dia tuh Kaguranya tuh, kambing di tengah dia. Nah, di tengah aja guys. Kita ambil rubinya dulu. Waduh, slot nggak dapet slot ya. Bakar. Let's go. Siapa nih ya? Nggak dapet dong, lu lihat tuh. Gue udah ngerol loh.
I can't hold it back anymore.
The abyss is home. The winds of
As long as my
Benar.
mind is free.
Udah ngerol. Balik lagi. 21.
all glories to the Empire.
Flicker enak ya kalau ada flicker di depan gua. Aduh, Kaguranya nice, Kaguranya di terus. Wah, bisa nih, terlalu OP gitu dia Kagura. Gila Kaguranya. Tiga payungnya sakit banget ya. Itu dari apaan sih sebenarnya tuh 3 payung itu? Waduh. Jirot pakai berserker bagus nggak Jirot?
wanted you.
Bloodwing. Bloodwing. Bisa nih ambil Martis guys.
A true knight never says die. Soon, a new world will be dawning.
Ini akan mati kok. Kenapa nih kok? Buset.
Resnok, you can't escape the inevitable.
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything.
The wind of
I can't hold it back anymore.
Ruby kayak Ruby. Aduh ada iklan lagi.
See beyond the eyes.
Gwyn kasih Gwyn.
what doesn't kill me.
Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Aduh udah dirot guys. Wah lawannya bekantan udah RT dah guys. Kamu ke rumah mati lo. Balik gua. Mau sama balik kambing. Diambil cok Wester gue cok, kambing lah. Kalah deh ini game. Nah kita custom dulu dan nungguin berdua. Nah gini dong.
Resnok,
Ready for all challenges.
I don't give a damn if the world is against me.
Terima kasih Bang Budi. Terima kasih Bang Budi. Dewan kita guys.
The wind uplifts me.
Sambil nungguin temen gue yang tadi masih main dia.
But music is my attitude.
sama bang. Ini gue juga nyoba-nyoba aja ya kan. Mati dia, pulang dia.
A new world will be dawning.
I own the stage.
Mana dia di kiri? Dia langsung naikin ini loh.
That was a breeze.
Sama saudara gue bang ini bang. Siapa ya? Kalah dia. Nah tadi nggak dapat bijian nih gua. Kalau dapat biji lobster mah enak tadi.
What doesn't kill me makes me even stronger.
Bentar gua. Udah selesai temen gua. Let's go. Rank apa? Kalau Magic Chess masih GM gua. Kalau rank biasa ini kan. Apa sih rank biasa, lupa gua namanya. Magic Honor. Mana mau lagi? Aduh, kalau nggak lagi nih, orang lagi nih. Udahan deh. Salah mode. Mythic Honor bang. Bentar dulu, gue chat dulu. Iya sih, banyak dark system. Katanya sih ngambil ini dark system nih. Yang ada di sini nih. Kalau udah klaim yang harian tuh. Udahan ke dia. Iya sih katanya gitu bang.
Your team is banning.
Siapa lagi tuh ngechat tuh?
Your team is picking.
Iya bang, serem lagi bang. Sebenarnya semuanya bisa sih. Cuma kalau untuk jungler nggak bisa gua. Nggak biasa megang retri gua.
Experience
sana
the
sih,
youth.
The enemy is picking.
For honor!
Tigreal lagi dia.
I will choose my own path.
Your team is picking.
Come on, Dexter. It's our showtime.
Hope will find a way,
The enemy
even
is
when all is
picking.
forlorn.
Mage juga kita itu. Kagak dia XP deh bang. Kalau mage sih gua, yang gue takutin mage ini nih, Yin. Kalau udah ketemu Yin males gua tuh. Gimana tuh?
Golden Games, two of my favorites. The
Your
choice is
team
Oh,
is
Ruben.
picking.
The hunt
This
begins.
Aduh,
land
Ruby
is our
lagi dia.
homeland, and it will
Enemy
soon
is
be your
picking.
burial ground.
Dua mm pakai ruby cu.
Smashing heads or smashing backboard.
Siapa sih nih? Lot. Shot banyak juga tuh ya, user MM XP tank. Solo kah? Kalau solo player emang susah sih.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds.
Iya 16 hari lagi ya. Enggak ngejar bang, udah pernah glory gue bang.
Smash them.
Jadi nggak ngejar lagi gue.
All troops deployed.
Ini bantuin temen gue yang kemarin nih. Ini yang Better
Till
Fabian nih.
Richburg breathes again.
Ini kan belum pernah glory tuh. Nah sekarang udah glory dia, udah 53 dia.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Mind your steps, visitor. The Necrokeep is cold and hostile.
Request backup. Watch the bushes for ambush.
Launch attack! Taste the despair. Taste the despair.
Watch
Shame
the
on
bushes
you.
for ambush.
Oh teman. Kuris dia. Kena itu nih.
There's no thought of fall.
Initiate retreat.
For the fallen.
Gua ngasih minion gua cu.
Initiate retreat. Enemy missing.
For Necrokeep.
First blood.
Nggak dapat minion gua.
Enemy missing. Enemy missing. Ally has been slain.
Lihat minion gua diambil.
Well done.
Launch attack. The enemy has slain the turtle.
For the fallen.
Initiate retreat.
Such extravagant favors. We hold our ground.
You have slain an enemy.
It's not ready before you lay your fingers on us.
An enemy has been slain.
Buat makan ya.
Slain.
I need to tend to my people.
Ult is not ready.
Oke bang, terima kasih udah mampir ya bang ya.
Not ready. Ally has been slain.
Mati lu dia di ulti.
Attack.
Urif dia.
Taste the despair.
Ult is not ready.
I was supposed to marry him
Ult is not ready.
in this gown.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. Battle spell in cooldown.
It is a blessing to bloom and to wither.
Launch attack. Ult is ready. Ult is ready.
If it helps.
You have slain an enemy.
Life goes.
Kambing lah, blok sini, blok situ, blok situ, blok sini.
Fear. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Not ready. Initiate retreat. Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat.
This is not the end for us.
Aduh, power dimasukin cowok.
Ult is not ready.
Taste the despair.
Ult is not ready. Attack the turtle. Ult is ready.
Fear.
Harlot tuh di belakang gue.
Spree. Launch attack.
Twice before you lay your fingers on us.
Initiate retreat. Ult is not
Flickerin gak sih?
Taste
Error dia, lihat. Lihat error dia bang. Error dia bang.
Leave.
Ult is ready.
My people are calling to me.
An enemy has launched attack. Double kill. Enemy missing. Triple kill.
Kelas cu.
We hold our ground.
Initiate retreat.
people.
Attack the
For
turtle.
Necrokeep.
Ult is not ready. Ult is
Oh,
not ready.
Tigreal hilang bro.
Initiate retreat.
Wah, tetap kena dong. Siapa tuh? Mino bagus banget ya di sini padahal Mino ya. Enak banget ini Mino tuh.
Despair will be dispelled.
Our turret has been destroyed. Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Launch attack.
For the fallen.
Ult is not ready. Fear. An enemy initiate
Masih
retreat.
lagi.
Launch attack.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Battle spell in cooldown. Keep an eye on the map.
I was supposed to marry.
Team destroyed a turret. Initiate retreat.
Jadi ini dia. Ya, ini dia.
Ally has been slain.
Watch the bushes for ambush. Watch the bushes for ambush. There's no farther for us to fall.
Clear out lanes.
Fear! Despair.
Request backup.
Ini apa yang ambil bukitinya depanin dong. Depanin lah.
Launch attack. Double kill.
Wipes out.
Push bird. Team destroyed a turret. Wait up. Destroyed a turret.
I'll be the beacon that guides Necrokeep.
Killing spree.
For Necrokeep.
Ya diambil juga tuh. Gue butuh darah tuh.
Ult is ready.
Tears and laughter. Such extravagant graces.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Necrokeep will bathe the daylight. We hold our ground.
Nice. Pikirin aja ya guys sih. Lihat.
Legendary.
Yalah, push.
Victory!
Wih, welcome bang. Ya jangan kasih jungler cu. Mana bisa jungler gua.
Please ban a hero.
Udah siap. Mantap bang. Udah mandi dia Wak. Mandi siang dia Wak.
Your team is banning.
Siapa itu nggak ngeban ya? Satu ya.
I am vengeance incarnate.
Frankie lah gua. Frankie De Jong.
No protection.
Frankie De Jong.
me.
Gas, dua badan nih.
I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning.
Picking.
Combo di MPL nih.
Hope will find a way,
Waduh, pet
even
sama
when
lagi
all is
guys.
forlorn.
Light me up and watch the world
Team is
burn!
picking.
Tegurannya ini yang versi.
Dead.
The enemy is
Revive
picking.
it.
Alpha kah dia?
Test. Alpha is online.
Ciro.
For honor.
Your team is picking.
Tamus. Tamus buat lawan Facebook. Terisa enak. Lurin terlalu
More
tipis emang.
than a weapon.
Frankie aja kita, Frankie De Jong. Tigreal pakai apa nih Tigreal ini? Aduh, pull yourself lagi. Oh, Master Assassin dia, berarti gue harus temenin Clean. Kalau B1 kalah dia, harus gue temenin dia. Festival Blood udah makanya Inspire bisa kali ya gue ini.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Teach you guys a lesson. Ah! Yeah!
Gue nggak biasa rusuh gue mah nggak pakai perangko.
One shot, one kill.
Langsung. Masuk
Okay. Okay.
flicker dia.
Trying to teach you some rules, Cubs.
Mati nggak sih dia tuh? Astaga, turun weh.
So keep an eye on the map.
Nah, berkarat semua
Real
dia.
fighter never runs.
Ih, maju gue.
Trying to teach you some rules, Cubs.
Has been slain.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Ah, ngebling dia.
Request backup. Launch attack.
Real fighter never runs.
Gue belum
Not
4.
ready. Ult is not ready.
One shot, one kill.
Udah ulti dia. Salin tuh atas.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Aduh, pas banget guys, balik dia.
Initiate retreat.
Trying to teach you some rules, Cubs.
Ally has been slain.
Ampun apa? Gak ada mana lagi gue.
Enemy has been slain.
Sini gak sih Baxia? Gak usah clear mid gak sih Baxia?
Been slain. Keep an eye on the map.
Real fighter never runs.
Malah clear mid kok.
Launch attack. Ult is not ready.
Malah clear mid dia loh. Nice. Iya bang, keren lu bang. Kalah gue bang, suwe. Itu gue diambil tuh. Apa hero-hero gue diambil.
Ult is ready. Ult is ready. Ult is
Time to
ready.
teach you guys a
Ult
lesson.
ready.
Udah saja. Nice.
Killing spree. Keep an eye on the map.
Lihat map, rame.
Initiate retreat.
Nih, tuh gue bawain buat lu. Dah, kill. Anjay. Kayak si jangkrik ya, jangkrik ML tuh. Mati juga dia loh. NR. Keren bang, stack 2 bang, ya gue gila. Lu kalah lu, ini punya dia pakai apa? Lupa gue master assassin.
Ult is not ready. Launch attack.
Gonna teach you some rules, Cubs.
Gak usah rusuh gak sih? Datang semua itu dia.
Ally has request
Sini.
Ally has been slain.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Assalamualaikum. Waduh, ambil. Sorry dah, nggak bisa batalin ulti bro. Mau ngapain kamu dek? Tarik, kosong dia, ke bawah dia. Sini, ke atas nih, dia kemit nih. Tengok.
A real fighter never runs.
Aduh, nggak kena cuk. Awas bawah.
Initiate retreat is not ready.
Gonna teach you some rules, Cubs.
Launch attack. An enemy has been slain.
Sini lah man.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been
Kalah
slain.
dia lawan full yourself. Smoke. Gue jauhin dulu kan, biar dia nggak bisa ngehit. Nah, ambil dia tuh. Whoop, nggak kena.
One shot, one kill.
Aduh, kurang panjang bro.
Launch attack. Ult is not ready.
Nggak kena lagi. Itu auto click ya, gua klik doang itu ya, nggak gua arahin. Anjir.
Ally has been slain.
Sini bang.
Request back.
Gonna teach you some rules, Cubs.
Ally has been. You have slain an enemy.
Balik.
Initiate retreat.
Udah lupa. Kena turret dia. Mati dia. Ya ampun, nice.
Slain.
Oh, rasa bang abang. Boleh ikut aja langsung. Ready, flicker gue ready.
Ult is not ready.
Di kiri tuh dia. Set, nggak ada kan di kiri kan? Wow. Bentang,
Real
bentang.
fighter never runs.
Wait up! Launch attack!
One shot, one kill.
Initiate retreat! Your team destroyed a turret!
Terus ya terus.
Launch
Nih lihat map woi.
Listen,
Anjir, gua ketarik bro. Sabar. Kabur. Flicker dia.
ally has been slain.
Itu di atas lama banget bro.
Wait up!
Tahun kan? Tarik.
Shut down! Our turret has been destroyed.
Ngapain di atas lama kali? Nggak, kalau udah gagal udah cabut aja cu.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
real fighter never runs.
Your turret is under attack.
Gotta teach you some rules.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Ngapain sih lu anjing? Untung dijauhin sama ini loh, sama wah kena semua cu. Nggak ada skill 2 deh. Anjir lah. Dia perang 5 ya.
Our turret is under attack. The enemy has slain Lord.
One shot, one kill.
Launch attack!
Sabar sih.
Slain. Initiate
Upload.
retreat. Okay.
To teach you guys a lesson.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Our turret is under attack.
One shot, one kill.
Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
A real fighter never runs. Gotta teach you some rules, cuz.
Wah kena kan. Sabar nggak sih?
Our turret is under attack. Turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack. Our turret is under attack.
Tunggu kena gua aja bro,
Watch the bushes
sabar
for
aja.
ambush.
Oh di atas.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Gotta teach you some rules, Cubs.
Gila, kenain bro. Nice. Anjir gua nggak sempat pencet ulti bro.
Teach you guys a lesson.
Your turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Udah balik, balik udah balik.
Battle spell in cooldown. Ult is not ready.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Initiate retreat.
Anjir langsung ditabrak gua.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Ally has been slain.
Aduh atasnya keculik guys.
A real fighter never runs.
Team destroy the turret. Launch attack.
Aduh. Keculik tuh atasnya tuh. Menang Kak Ivos.
Your team destroyed the
Sonic ya.
turret.
Sekarang gig dulu ya. Gig GTR.
Ult is not ready.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Initiate retreat.
Gotta teach you some rules, Cubs.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Real fighter never runs.
Ally has been slain.
Watch the bushes for ambush.
Clear lah.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Ally has been slain.
Gotta teach you some rules, Cubs. One shot, one kill. Teach you guys a lesson.
Initiate retreat.
Itu dia ya pokoknya incernya core-nya ya kita gas. Masih dia. Nih. Sakit banget kok. Wah flicker dia. Tapi udah kagak ada MM sih amannya. Nggak ada damage nya dia. Sabar deh.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Anjir udah kena moskopi masih kalah guys.
Real fighter never runs.
Udah kena MM nya loh. Nice. Narik bencana. Bener gak sih?
Gotta teach you some rules, Cubs.
Bisa.
Inhibitor turret
Di sini kita membutuhkan defense ya.
One kill.
Narik bencana.
Gotta teach you some rules.
Our turret is under attack. Our base is under attack.
Aduh kagak ada ulti gua. Kalau ada ulti mati tuh.
One shot. One kill.
Tabrak nice. Waduh KN guys. Masih udah dapat monster tuh tadi. Ini kan bisa rata itu. Anjay gue MVP bro. Gimana caranya gue MVP? Malah kayak itu dia 800. Ada lagi. Oke guys, ini mungkin Dino itu udah live nya sih udahan, cuma lanjut apa enggak nggak tahu gua. Terima kasih banyak ya guys ya, terima kasih banyak Bang Budi Ponco ya kan, terus sama Zubair Rubeng, terima kasih banyak udah mampir dan udah komen. Live nya lanjut besok ya, besok ke MPL berarti kapan ya, Senin lagi kali ya, besok ke MPL gua. Thank you, bye bye, terima kasih.